Hi guys, here is a short video to show you how to remove your radio unit on your Volvo V70s. You can find the link of this pouch on the description below. So first of all, we need to remove this cover to access two Torx screws. So I will use, which one? This one maybe. Just clipped. That's it. When you have access to the screws here, use T25 Torx socket. To remove the aircon and heater unit, you must pull it up gently, insert something a bit rigid, and push it below to unclip. And finally, to remove the radio, there is two T25 screws, one here, that you have to remove. And then you see, just pull it up and it's coming along. And after that, at the back of your radio unit, you can unplug everything in the connectors, 1, 2, 3 in my case, and remove the unit. Et voilà, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you.